So over here, you can see that I have this particular timeline right here, and I got this board. And let's say what I actually want to see is all of these contents tracked in a particular calendar view. In that case, you can go around and click on the plus button right here, and then choose calendar just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you see all of the calendar views right here, and then this is the timeline that you can actually go ahead and click and drag around as you want as well. So this is what you have, as you can see, and you can navigate around the month right here according to how you want, and then open it out in full as well, just like this in Notion calendar. Once you go ahead and do that, you can actually continue out with Google, let's say for example, and I can go ahead and give permissions to my Google account as well, just like this. So let's just go ahead and do that and select out all right here and click on continue. And once you do that, you can actually see your calendar right here as well, and then manage out the calendar Notion as well. So you can see that you can open this up in calendar and then track out all of your tasks from Notion calendar as well. So you can see that it is loading up. So let's just go ahead and get started right here. And let me just go ahead and view the month view for this. So I'm just going to go for month view, and you can see all of the tasks is actually synced out right here on this particular calendar that I synced up with Google Calendar as well. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize database calendar and even open it out so that you can sync it out with your Google Calendar using Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe